The Aceal world-first 4K smart portable quad monitor redefines the limits of portable display technology, offering an unmatched visual experience. This innovative monitor features a unique 4-screen display, delivering 4 separate screens in one compact unit. Each screen boasts 4K Ultra HD resolution, ensuring crystal-clear images and vibrant colors for a truly immersive viewing experience. Designed for ultimate convenience, the Aceal monitor is equipped with 4 smart functional buttons, allowing users to easily control each screen's settings. Every second on the road demands attention, and now there's a tool that sharpens your awareness without weighing you down. Weighing just 1.4 ounces, these ultralight CyberSight HUD glasses transform how you experience every drive, ride, or run. Designed with an integrated road safety system, they provide timely body alerts and real-time navigation guidance, all projected clearly into your line of sight. The heads-up display eliminates the need to glance down at phones or maps, helping you stay focused where it matters most. From tight urban corners to open highways, the dynamic display adjusts in real time, minimizing distractions while enhancing decision-making. Stay connected longer with an 8-hour battery life that powers through your day. With an eye for dynamic storytelling, this compact system transforms ordinary shots into cinematic sequences. Trexo Wheels enhances every frame through precision motion control, letting users craft smooth, repeatable movements with ease. Whether you're showcasing a product or capturing a scene, its intuitive system adapts to both mobile and DSLR workflows. What sets this apart is its built-in AI voice command capability. Direct the device hands-free and stay focused on your subject. Elevate your mobile workflow with a premium dual-screen setup designed for serious multitaskers. The Jeta Flipgo 2.5K dual-screen portable monitor transforms your laptop into a powerhouse of productivity, offering crystal-clear 12.5-inch high DPI IPS displays that magnetically attach and fold seamlessly around your laptop. Fortified with unmatched endurance and engineered for harsh terrain, this powerhouse tablet is built to thrive in places where ordinary devices would fail. The RT7 Titan isn't just another rugged tablet, it's a survivalist command center, equipped with cutting-edge technology wrapped in a tough tactical shell. Whether you're operating in construction zones, wilderness outposts, or emergency response situations, it brings more than just connectivity. This Android 13 tablet features a colossal 32,000 milliamp hour battery, capable of enduring for days without needing a charge. Immerse yourself in visual clarity with the Govies art, where sharpness, color, and comfort intersect. Designed for seamless integration into everyday life, Govies art delivers panoramic peripheral vision and stays unaffected by changes in ambient lighting. You remain aware of your surroundings, even as you dive into immersive content. Weighing just 3.9 ounces, Govies art ensures long-lasting comfort with no extra strain on your neck or forehead. In a world where companionship meets cutting-edge intelligence, Rapet stands out as an emotionally aware AI robot pet crafted to be more than a gadget. It's a loyal friend. Engineered with lifelike charm and tactile warmth, Rapet brings a layer of comfort into daily life. Using state-of-the-art visual recognition, it distinguishes familiar faces and mirrors your emotions, creating a sense of presence that feels personal. Whether you're smiling or still, Rapet sees you and responds in kind. Unlock seamless control with the cutting-edge CLVX1, a next-gen keyboard engineered for precision, speed, and adaptability. Built for the modern workflow, it fuses mechanical typing with intuitive gesture navigation. No more toggling between devices or modes. With smart, integrated tech, your fingers never need to leave the keyboard. The CLVX1 lets you work faster, cleaner, and smarter. Precision takes form in this compact powerhouse of optics, Built for photographers who won't compromise when space is tight and clarity is critical. With a 400mm focal length and 12 times magnification, this lens delivers long-range performance in a tight form factor. Whether you're capturing wildlife from a distance or isolating urban details, its reach gets you closer without taking a step forward. Engineered with 11 elements arranged in 8 groups, this lens ensures minimal distortion. This is not another gadget. It's a professional-grade control interface engineered for creators, coders, and power users who demand more from their workspace. Crafted with a durable aluminum body, the Modu controller combines form and function without compromise. Every detail is made to refine your experience. High-resolution touchscreen, motorized potentiometers for tactile control, vibrant RGB LEDs for visual feedback, and seamless integration with your favorite tools. When ordinary projections fall flat, this innovative 3D projector transforms your space into something alive. Designed for everyday settings, it pushes beyond the boundaries of traditional displays with immersive, glasses-free 3D. It's not just a projector, it's a portal. Featuring over 50 dynamic 3D themes, it shifts effortlessly between forest serenity, ocean depth, galactic vistas, and vibrant festivals. Whether you're setting the tone for a gathering, winding down for sleep, or diving into a meditative moment, it adapts to your mood and surroundings. In the heart of modern kitchens, efficiency meets cleanliness with the revolutionary Capsule Solo 2.0, a compact powerhouse that redefines dishwashing. Designed for those with limited space but zero compromise on hygiene, this unit delivers powerful cleaning while fitting right into your lifestyle. Unlike scrubbing with a bacteria-laden sponge or soaking dishes in lukewarm water, Capsule Solo 2.0 heats water to a sterilizing 167 degrees Fahrenheit, destroying germs far beyond the limits of what human hands can endure. Step into a new era of mobile content creation with UView, where simplicity meets pro-level performance. Designed for modern storytellers who rely on their smartphones, UView upgrades your filming game without the need for bulky equipment or overpriced gear. From crisp audio to dynamic lighting and steady framing, every detail is optimized to help your phone deliver content that commands attention. Throughout this video, you'll get an inside look at how UView transforms your mobile setup into a compact powerhouse. Night after night, your bed becomes more than rest. It's the place where calm returns, where energy gathers, and where the tone of tomorrow is quietly shaped. That kind of daily reset deserves fabric designed to match the rhythm of real life. Strong, breathable, smooth, and built to last. These sheets trace their story to the heart of Egypt, where cotton is still handpicked to preserve its natural integrity. No more huffing and puffing over steaming bowls or scorching sips. This tiny companion handles the cooling for you. Neco Jeta Fufu brings precision and charm to every meal with a whisper of technology. Slide it onto the rim of your cup or let it perch on your plate's edge, and within 3 minutes, your food or drink cools down to a comfortable temperature. Tested with 158 degrees Fahrenheit water, it performs like a breeze, literally. Its kitten-like paws grip dishware from 0.08 to 0.23 inches thick, adapting easily to mugs, bowls, and even ramen cups. Precision, elegance, and immersion meet in the most personal way possible. The Breg Zone 1 earbuds are not just audio devices. They are wearable acoustic instruments tailored to your anatomy. Forget generic fits and compromised fidelity. These earbuds are engineered from the inside out, beginning with a high-resolution scan of your ears to create a perfectly contoured shell. Within this custom shell lies a finely tuned balanced armature driver, delivering studio-grade clarity directly into your ear canal. Sculpt your strength without the boundaries of a gym. The Unitry Pump Max brings studio-level resistance training into your living room, your backyard, or wherever your day takes you. No bulky racks or dumbbells, just smart engineering packed into a sleek, portable device weighing under 2.4 pounds. The Pump Max features a built-in motor that adjusts resistance up to 44 pounds with precision, offering concentric and eccentric control so every rep counts. Anchor it to doors, furniture, or even your foot. It adapts to your environment effortlessly. The Casio Ring Watch CRW001 is a remarkable blend of technology and precision craftsmanship, creating a full metal version of a classic timepiece in a finger-worn design. To achieve this, the watch case, back, and band are formed as a single piece using an advanced metal injection molding process. This technique allows for the intricate details, including the band's dimpled texture, to be reproduced in fine detail. In small apartments or tight spaces, growing your own food shouldn't feel impossible. That's exactly why this streamlined indoor garden was engineered, to bring yield and versatility into even the narrowest corners. With a sleek footprint and an innovative expandable design, it supports 12+ plants without the bulky frame of traditional models. Most systems with similar output eat up over 5 times the floor space, but here, thoughtful architecture redefines what compact gardening means. When the thrill of racing meets the precision of engineering, you get Winble, the compact wind tunnel that transforms your desk into a testing ground for your die-cast cars. Designed for serious enthusiasts, this gadget doesn't just sit pretty beside your monitor. It brings air, speed, and science right to your fingertips. Built with a love for both model cars and real-world aerodynamics, Winble lets you simulate airflow like an F1 team. The Wondermaker ZR Ultra 4 is a cutting-edge 3D printer built for creators, engineers, and hobbyists who seek a streamlined and efficient printing experience. With an ultra-low heat bed temperature, this printer ensures that your printed objects remain firmly in place, cutting down on energy usage. This reduces your power bills while contributing to a greener planet. Designed for optimal performance, the ZR Ultra is engineered for fast, multicolor, and multi-material printing. In a world where aging often means isolation, companionship can be as powerful as medicine. That's where Honorado AI takes flight, an intelligent, lifelike parrot crafted not only to assist but to genuinely connect. With more than 800 million individuals over the age of 65, and 60% of them living alone, Honorado AI delivers more than utility. It offers presence, personality, and peace of mind. The Lingo Genie L2 is an advanced translation tool designed to bridge communication gaps seamlessly. With support for over 200 languages, it allows users to translate text, voice, and images in real time, making it a powerful companion for global travelers, businesses, and language learners alike. The device integrates smoothly with the Lingo Genie app, offering users a more comprehensive, user-friendly experience. Equipped with AI-powered accuracy, the Lingo Genie L2 ensures precise translations, even for complex phrases. Designed with purpose and built for control, the Vault 2.0 reshapes how you manage your everyday carry. Inspired by the logic of folders and the simplicity of book pages, this modular system redefines functional organization with precision and intent. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or working from multiple locations, Vault 2.0 adapts to your gear and your rhythm. Each size, Mini Light, Flex Pro, and Max Haul, caters to specific carry needs, ensuring your essentials are always where they need to be. The Fang 2.0 Titanium Keychain, Lantern, and Pen and Screwdriver is a versatile tool designed to meet everyday needs with precision and style. This multifunctional device seamlessly combines a powerful lantern, a functional pen, and a magnetic bit driver in one sleek titanium body. Weighing just a few ounces, it's an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, or anyone who requires reliability in a compact form. Step into a new dimension of digital interaction with Rokid AR Lite. Designed to merge convenience with cutting-edge spatial computing, these lightweight AR glasses pack serious capability into a sleek, travel-ready frame. With a 3 degrees of freedom system, Rokid AR Lite tracks your head orientation with precision, offering immersive control without the bulk of external sensors. Run 3 apps simultaneously and effortlessly multitask. The TP-Link X 1800 dual-band Wi-Fi 6 router offers an advanced internet experience, perfect for households and small offices. Leveraging Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax technology, it delivers faster speeds, greater network capacity, and minimizes congestion compared to older models. With next-gen speeds up to 1.8 gigabits per second, 1,200 megabits per second on the 5 gigahertz band, and 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 gigahertz band, streaming, gaming, and downloading are smooth and uninterrupted. The Myer Eco Trackers offers advanced monitoring technology for assessing harmful substances in fruits and vegetables. This tool efficiently measures critical water parameters, ensuring the quality and safety of your produce. With its precise sensors, it detects harmful substances such as pesticides, heavy metals, and other contaminants in a quick and reliable manner. The device also monitors key water quality metrics, providing insights into factors like pH, turbidity, and dissolved oxygen. Cradled in comfort and wrapped in intelligence, this newborn bassinet is designed to meet the needs of your baby from day 1 through 6 months. Built with SmartSense technology, it instinctively listens for your baby's cries and reacts in real time to soothe them, offering gentle motion that mimics the comfort of being held. Whether it's nap time or nighttime, this bassinet adjusts to your baby's rhythm, providing a consistent, peaceful sleep environment. Sturdy and compact, this pocket shooter punches well above its weight when it comes to clarity and control. Armed with a crisp 50-megapixel lens, it delivers sharp photos and clear video, performing confidently in both daylight and soft indoor lighting. The second camera brings up to 15 times digital zoom into the mix, letting you capture distant subjects with surprising detail. It's not just about image quality, this device is intuitive. Swipe through a streamlined interface or use its clever gesture controls for effortless snapping.